Welcome, students! Today, we'll discuss the management of operations improvement to enhance manufacturing and service delivery. Continuous operations improvement is vital for businesses aiming to boost efficiency and effectiveness in their processes. By managing and implementing improvements, organizations can reduce costs, increase productivity, and deliver higher quality products and services. This session will cover key aspects of managing operations improvement and strategies to achieve superior performance. Preventing processes from becoming worse is crucial. Failure prevention and recovery are essential components. Total quality management focuses on meeting customer needs and expectations, covering all parts of the business. Making processes better involves setting priorities for improvement. Not all areas are equally important. Two approaches to improvement are breakthrough improvements and continuous improvements. Regular assessments help pinpoint inefficiencies and bottlenecks in processes. Tools like the SWOT analysis and value stream mapping identify improvement opportunities. Gather feedback from employees and customers to uncover areas needing enhancement. Failure prevention and recovery involve detecting and analysing failures to prevent them. Types of failures include design, facility, staff, supplier, and customer-client failures. Operations managers should have mechanisms to detect failures and determine their causes. Recovery procedures and contingency plans minimize potential detrimental effects on customers. Total quality management makes every employee quality conscious and identifies all costs of quality. Doing things right the first time and developing systems for quality are key to total quality management. Establishing a continuous process for improvement ensures sustained quality and efficiency. Effective management of operations improvement enhances manufacturing and service delivery efficiency. Identifying improvement areas, setting clear objectives, and leveraging technology are crucial strategies. Engaging employees and implementing Lean and Six Sigma methodologies lead to significant performance gains. Continuous monitoring and measurement ensure improvements are sustained and aligned with business goals. Thank you for joining this session. By following these strategies, businesses can secure a competitive advantage and achieve long-term success.